Hello, Emma. How's it going?
Hi, Jake. I'm good, thanks. I've been thinking a lot about staying healthy lately.
That's a great topic. What's been on your mind?
Well, I've been hearing a lot about the importance of vaccinations. Do you think it's really necessary to get vaccinated?
Absolutely. Vaccines are one of the best ways to prevent serious diseases. They protect not only you, but also the people around you.
That makes sense. I got my flu shot last year, and I didn't get sick at all. What about you?
Same here. I always make sure to get my flu shot and other recommended vaccines. It's such a simple way to stay safe.
True. Aside from vaccinations, I've been trying to exercise more. How often do you work out?
I try to exercise at least 3 to 4 times a week. It helps me feel energetic and keeps my body in shape. What about you?
I've been doing yoga twice a week, but I'm thinking of adding some cardio. What type of exercise do you recommend?
Cardio is great for your heart. You could try jogging, swimming, or even brisk walking. It doesn't have to be intense, just consistent.
That's good advice. And I guess exercise also helps keep your immune system strong.
Exactly. It's all connected. Exercise, good nutrition, and even hygiene. Speaking of hygiene, how often do you shower?
I usually shower twice a day, especially if I exercise. Sometimes 3 times a day if it's really hot. What about you?
Same here. Showering regularly keeps you fresh and prevents skin issues, especially after sweating.
Definitely. And I've been thinking about getting regular health checkups too. Do you get your health analyzed regularly?
Yes, I go for a full checkup at least once a year. It's important to catch any potential problems early.
That's smart. I think I'll schedule one soon. What do they usually check during a full health exam?
They check your blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, and sometimes do a full blood test. It gives a good picture of your overall health.
That sounds like a good idea. It's easy to forget about these things when you feel fine.
Exactly. Prevention is better than cure. Vaccines, exercise, hygiene, and regular checkups all work together to keep us healthy.
You're right, Jake. Thanks for the tips. I'm feeling more motivated to take better care of myself.
I'm glad to hear that, Emma. Let me know if you ever want a workout buddy or need help with anything health related.
Will do. Thanks, Jake. Have a great day.
You too, Emma. Stay healthy.